Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My dear students, Assalamu alaikum. You are watching Math with Yasir Arfat. We have the second lecture on exercise 3.4. We have to discuss question number 7 and 8. We are going to discuss the second method, how to find out the solution of these equations here. In my first lecture of the same exercise, we have discussed when two fractions are in reciprocal form, and we have discussed the method in which we have discussed 3 or 4 questions. Today we are going to discuss the second method here, in which we have discussed question number 7 and 8. So here, what is the second case here in this exercise? If the powers are in fraction, then we have to take out the smaller power variable. We have to suppose that one. This is y power 1 upon 4, and this is y power 1 upon 2. The second case is when the power is in fraction. So we have to take out, we have to suppose that the variable having the smaller power there. So this is, we have to suppose that y power 1 upon 4, this is equals to x, and this is, say, equation number 1. When we have to square on both sides, 1 upon 4 power square, it is equals to x square. Now we have the double power here, so this will be multiplied with this one, and this is x square. 2 2s are 4, y power 1 upon 2, it is equals to x square. When we have to suppose that the smaller power variable there, and we have to take out its square, we will get the value of the first variable here. So this is y power 1 upon 2 plus y power 1 upon 4 minus 22, it is equal to 0. Now what is the value of y power 1 upon 2? It is equals to x square. And y power 1 upon 4, we have to suppose that it is equals to x. So this is x minus 22 equal to 0. Now this is become the quadratic equation, and we have to find out its solution by using the middle term breaking here. So 5x square multiplied by minus 22, it will be minus 110x square. So the factor of x square is xx, and 110 we have to take out its factors here. 2 5s are 10, 2 5s are 10, 5 1s are 5 1s are, and 11 1s. So what will be the factors here? 5 2s are 10 and 11 1s are 11. So this is 11 and 2. So here the factors are x square plus 11x minus 10x minus 22, it is equal to 0. 11 minus 10, it is plus x. So this is the procedure how we have to break the middle term here. So this is 5x square. Just we have to take out the x common here. So this is x. So this is 5x plus 11. From here, minus 2 can be taken out the common here. 2 5s are 10. Minus minus plus 11s are 22. And this is equals to 0. So 5 plus x plus 11. 5x plus 11, take out the whole common here. So this is x minus 2. It is equal to 0. Now both factors are equal to 0. So 1 by 1 they will be equal to 0. So 5x plus 1 it is equal to 0. X minus 2 equal to 0. So the value of x here, it is minus 11 upon 5. And this is x is equals to 2 value of. So here we have two values of x here. So 1 by 1 we have to put these values in equation number 1 to find out the value of y here. So we have to put x is equals to, 2 in equation number 1. And the equation number 1 is y power 1 upon 4, it is equals to x. So we have to put the value of 1 upon 4, it is equals to 2. Taking power 4 on both sides, taking power 4 on both sides, so this is y power 1 upon 4 whole power 4, it is equals to 2 power 4. So this 4 will cancel out to this one. So here the value of y is equals to 2 power 4, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. So the value of y is 16 when we have to put the value of x is equals to 2. Now we have to put x is equals to minus 11 upon 5 in equation number 1 again. In equation number 1 again here. So this is y power 1 upon 4 equals to x. So here again y power 4, x value of x is minus 11 upon 5. Again we have to take out power 4 on both sides. That is equals to minus 11 over 5 power 4. So this 4 will cancel out to this one, and the value of y power is even, so negative will change into positive. So the final result of y, it is 11 upon 5 power 4. So our solution is the value of y is 16 and the value of 11 upon 5 y power 4. So this is the answer of this question. Okay students, now come to the second part of the same case here. The case is when the powers are in fraction, then we have to suppose that the smaller power variable equals to the another variable. We have to take out y here. We cannot take out x here because x, it is given to you in the question. So this is x power 1 upon 4 equals to y. We have to suppose that this is say equation number 1. And when we have to square on both sides, same case we are going to discuss. Squaring both sides, we will get the value of the first variable which is given to you in the question here. So power here will multiply this, so 2 ones are 2, 2 over m. It is equals to y square. So here this is x power 2 upon m minus 5 power 1 upon m plus 6, it is equals to 0. Now what is the value of x power 2m? It is equals to y square minus 5. X power 1 upon m, it is equals to y. So this is equal to 0. Now factors 3 2s are 6. We have to middle term break here. This is the quadratic equation again here. So this is y square minus 3y minus 2y plus 6 equal to 0. Minus 3 minus 2, it is equals to minus 5. So take out y common here. So this is y minus 3. Here we have to take out minus 2 common. So this is minus 2 minus plus minus 2 3s are 6. So here y minus 3 whole common. We have to take out here. So this is y minus 2. It is equal to 0. So the both brackets are equal to 0. So one by one, their values are y is equal to 3 and y is equals to 2. Now we have to put one by one these values in equation number 1 to find out the value of x here. So one by one we have to put this one. So y is equals to 3 in equation number 1, and the equation number 1 is x power 1 upon m, it is equals to y, and x power 1 upon m, it is equals to 3. So here taking m power on both sides. M power on both sides. So this is 1 upon m whole power m. It is equals to 3 power m. So this m will cancel out to this one. So the value of x, it is equals to 3m when y is equal to 3. Now we have to put y is equals to 2 in equation number 1 again. So this is here x power 1 upon m, it is equals to y, and again we have to put the value of y is 2. Take out the m power on both sides again. So this is 2 power m. This m will cancel out to this one, and the value of x is 2 power m. So the solution set is 2 power m, 3 power m. Dear students, we have discussed the second case in exercise 3.4, which we have discussed how to find out the solution set using when the powers are in fraction. This was the second case. Thank you so much, dear students. If you like this video, please share it and subscribe my channel Math with Yasser Arfat. Allah Hafiz.